lawn is dry. Manny, please come quick.
What happened, Minnie?
Look at this. The leaves of trees constantly fall down. It's definitely because of all the noise that you were making.
But this turned all reddish and dry.
You know, I think we scared the tree. What are we gonna do now?
Let's stick it back in there.
What about the color?
We'll make it green again so then all's well in the world. It's not over yet. Who knows how many we've already tried to stick? Look, they're still falling.
Oh dear, another one fell down. Look, another one. We have to hurry. Neşe will be coming soon.
Minnie, Manny, what are you guys doing up there? Come on down.
We are coming right away, Neşe.
How green is the green in this dream?
This is not a dream, Mutlu. Everywhere is really green for real. Mutlu, are you sleeping again? He was like that all morning. He woke up too early, so he didn't sleep enough.
I don't know. We didn't do anything.
Look, dear, am I seeing this wrong? Or is everything green out here? My eyes may be going on me. I don't know.
Of course everything's green. That's our garden. What happened out here?
Minnie and Manny, of course.
Minnie, Manny, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Manny, they came to see all new things. Every moment